Hello guys, my name is Tuba. Welcome to CeoFix channel. If you wanna watch more video like this, always stay subscribed. In this video, I will try to show you fix wireless connectivity issues of Windows. Okay, let's go. Begin quick tutorial. Windows key, then press the R key. Type the following command. Right click on your wireless adapter and select Properties from drop-down menu. Choose Power Management tab and uncheck. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This setting didn't solve my problem, but it was necessary. Here is the final solution. Right-click the power icon in the taskbar and click on Power Options. Click on the Change Plane Settings. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. You can make changes to power plane settings, expand open wireless adapter settings, and power saving mode. Select the mode you want to drop-down menu and click OK. We have coded the script to make your job easier. Just download the script. OK, go to CeoFix webpage and find Download button. Open Downloads folder. Zip file and choose Extract here. Double-click Wireless Adapters Power Saving Mode. Okay, that's all. You have completed the second step with one click. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe CeoFix channel. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and you can comment. Goodbye.